Hello, beautiful people, lovers of freedom, lovers of good things, lovers of wonderful treasure all over the world. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you so dearly for always supporting us. We really do appreciate. If to the first time you are coming across this channel or you are hearing this beautiful voice for the first time, I still remain your one and only Agatha Progress, bringing it to you live and direct. So, my wonderful family, today I have a very wonderful one that I want us to share together on No Government Troubling Imo, a policeman, sponsored by Governor Hope Uzodinma. That is what Rochas Okorosha declared. He touchlight a lot of points while speaking to Channel Television. He said, elements described as unknown gunmen in Imo State may soon be uncovered after the arrest of Uche Wansu. That is after the arrest of his son-in-law on Sunday. In fact, if in case you don't know what is going on, Rochas Okorosha's son-in-law was arrested on Sunday by the Nigeria Army, the Nigeria Force, Navy, what have you, stormed into the Anglican church to pick up the son-in-law during his mother's funeral celebration right in the church. There is a lot of tension, a lot of panic from people. Everywhere was upside down. And let me remind you something. Before now, Hope Uzodinma speak out. In fact, he cried out before the arrest of the son-in-law. That was, he said, the people that sponsor the terrorists in Imo State, they are politicians, and he is going to bring them to book. In fact, he boasted a lot of boasting, and people were really waiting for the action of Hope Uzodinma. But come to think of it, do you know that the son-in-law is already released? If really their claim is right, then why did they release him all of a sudden? Now you are here to hear more about what Rochas Okorosha just said about the Imo State governor. You know, my wonderful people, when breeze blow, the anus of the hen is going to open and everybody is going to see. They have been doing a lot of things so hidden, and at the end of the day they will say, oh, it's IPOP, it's Eastern Security Network, is this, is that, is bad boys. But they are the bad boys. The people in government, they are the bad boys that is disturbing the community. Rochas Okorosha makes some point, and he said a lot of people never care to ask. They are not even bothered to really know the person behind Hope Uzodinma. They did not ask question, who was Hope Uzodinma before he became the governor of Imo State? That if you know who Hope Uzodinma is before he become the governor, he said you are going to run for 40. So that comes in now by saying, when you know who Hope Uzodinma is, that is not a gentleman, why have you not said it before the election? I'm not trying to justify Hope Uzodinma, no, neither am I trying to justify Rochas Okorosha, no, but he made some point, and he said if he talk now, they will say, oh, it's politics, that he's just trying to blackmail Hope Uzodinma. He said, but he is giving everybody a moment from now. He said everything is going to bring brought out to book. Everything will be brought out light. Everybody is going to see who is lying and who is not lying, and everybody is going to see the unknown gunman in Imo State. He said the unknown gunman is Hope Uzodinma. And he made some declaration and said the guy that they brought and said, oh, this guy is the one that the son-in-law, that is the Uche, sponsored these guys to go and cause a lot of damage and a lot of harm in the community. He said that guy has been interviewed 2 months ago, and they went to use a good body cream for the guy, and they shaved the hair and allowed the hair to grow a little, and tell the boy to testify that Hope Uche Wansu is the one that is supplying the arm to them. Believe me, he said he knows everything. He said he have the record, he have all the evidence. These are the words of Okorosha. And now come to think of it, these two people, Hope Uzodinma and Rochas Okorosha, the former governor, Do you really see any truthfulness in what they are saying? Though I said it before that I'm not trying to justify Rochas Okorocha, but we are just hoping that the secret should be out. That is what we are interested in. Because Rochas Okorocha said there is nothing like IPOB destroying things. There is nothing like Eastern Security Network destroying things, causing damage and harm. He said the people that are doing it is police and Hope Uzodima's boys. In his words, he said, unknown government behind the insecurity in Imo State are some policemen being sponsored by Hope Uzodinma. The former governor also said that presidency might be supporting the unpleasant security happening in Imo State. And he make a very wonderful statement. He say, what's happening in Imo State is of fortune, and not just Imo, but the entire nation and humanity. Imo State is becoming a banana republic where there is complete lawlessness and where people live in fear. There is no day that somebody is not being killed or harassed. It appears, this is the point that I want you to hear now. He said, it appears as if the happening in Imo State have some backing from Abuja. That is what I called figure arts. And there seems to be enmity between the people here and the presumed federal government of Nigeria just because of a communication gap. And he said unknown gunmen now is a set of policemen from government house who, without the consent of the commissioner of police and inspector general of police or the DIG, but on their own, on the instruction of the government of Imo State, led by Hope Uzodinma and his cohorts. They get policemen from the government house and go to execute unholy acts. And when they run into problem, they quickly say it is the police or the IPOB. Yes, these are the words they quickly say. They quickly come out and they start saying, oh, we saw some people there in that place, they are IPOB member, and they just start to shoot and we exchange bullet, blah, blah, blah. This has been their report. But thank God, Rochas Okorocha have come out to say that all the happening in Imo State and parts of Nigeria is caused by the police and the politicians and the governor. They are all involved. And he also brought us a point and said, Imo State governor, that is Hope Uzodinma, now put enmity between the Igbos or the people from southeastern part of Nigeria with Muhammadu Buhari. He said Hope Uzodinma come out and make himself so innocently, make himself so pure, and everybody are enemy to Muhammadu Buhari except Hope Uzodinma. That got us thinking. All right, my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this wonderful update. I just want you to deliberate on this issue between Hope Uzodinma and Rochas Okorocha. This is a saga that is going on. What is your take on it? Please do well to drop it for me in the comment section, and I will be bringing you the news as more and as quickly and as sweet as the update comes out. So once again, I still remain your one and only Agatha Progress, bringing it to you live and direct. And if you have been enjoying all this, you haven't subscribed, oh my word, please click on that red subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. From me to you, I say bye.